Hello, my name is Stefan. In this short video, I would like to introduce you to Asseco's insurance back office suite called StarINS, serving both life and non-life insurance, supporting all lines of business, and covering the most of the back office operations present in the insurance business. The system is based on thin client architecture and is divided into 12 different modules, which are mutually independent, strictly preserving the competencies of the particular business area they cover. One of the key features of the system that clearly distinguishes itself from other systems is flexibility and configurability throughout the whole system. The basic concept in which the system is designed are user-defined business objects and their parameters. Generally, to configure new objects in the system, such as product lines, the insurance-reinsurance program, commission schemes, posting rules, workflow scenarios, and so forth, do not require intervention into the source code of the system. All these can be done online via user interface. Now, what are the business areas supported by the solution? Product definition and new product development are the functions of the product builder environment. Quotations, application management, underwriting and policy issuance, ongoing policy administration and endorsements are present in the policy administration subsystem. Then, billing and collection management, processing of inbound and outbound payments, configuration of reminders in case of premium non-payment are in the module of payments. The entire claims management in the module of claims, agent management and commission processing in the module of commissions, reinsurance and co-insurance in the module of reinsurance, technical provisions and actuary in the module of reserves, business process management called workflow is in the inbuilt module of workflow, and finally technical subledger accounting along with definition capability of posting rules are functions of the accounting module. Now let's have a quick insight into the applications environment by showing the general features of the system that unify the system as a whole. First of all, identical design and controls throughout the whole system. To search for data, we click search, enter the filtering criteria, and let the system return the result in form of data grid. Each line contains a context-driven pop-up menu offering further actions with the data. So for example, detailed change history, tax and 360 review in this context. Then, full audit trail of changes on the system objects. Generally, the system keeps every change made on business object with the ability to display it in full picture along with the information who changed the object, when the object was changed, and from which workstation the change was carried out. Let's see this function. I go to policies, search, I type in the policy number, click view, and select the history option from the context-driven pop-up menu and click the detail of the policy. By clicking the left and right arrow, I move on the policy life cycle to see what changes were done in that particular time. This is also common to every business object registered in the system. The next feature, context-driven help menu. Let's go partners, policy, search, again policy, detail, every screen is equipped by online help, guiding the user through the functionalities provided by the particular screen. Along with hyperlinks to related functions. The next feature are the unified tools for displaying and managing data kept by the data grids. Let's see this function. I go policy search, select general insurance and policies, for example, registered in the last technical year. On the top of each data grid, a toolset is presented, making the work with data easier, so you are able to sort the data in an ascending or descending order, then filter, group, move columns into the column box, or export the data, export the content of the data grid to external files such as Excel, PDF, Word document, or a text file. Finally, the structure of the data grid can be saved for later use. This is done by this button. The next feature is about the business rule editor. There are 23 different places across the system where these business rule editors help users define business specific rules in form of custom-made validation and computation formulas. Let us search, for example, for a debt cover. I go to Elements Debt to see such business formulas. Go to Detail and see the calculation of a premium is defined by a user-defined formula using the inbuilt parameters of the person in this particular case and user-defined parameters. And finally, the last feature that I want to show you is a centric view. Generally, there are 4 centric views in the system from different perspectives. From a perspective of policy, policyholder, agent, and claim. Let us see the agent-centric view. I go to Commission, select Search, type 007, and select the 360 view. Generally, these centric views have basic information on top, related data to related objects in the middle, and tasks open, related tasks that are open to this business object and related correspondence. There are other tabs, and each centric view is also equipped with graphical elements. So for example, let's see the policy portfolio showing elements and chart. I click show. The system displays a pie chart based on the products sold by this agent along with information in the data below, or for example by clicking the indicators tab, clicking the new production, let's show the graphical interpretation of the new production of this particular agent. So these were the common features of the system. Thank you for your attention.